Halo guys, kenalin, nama gue David. Ini merupakan video pertama gue di channel ini. Sebelumnya gue mau kasih tahu ke kalian genre game gue. Genre game gue adalah RPG, online game, itu gue bisa. Eh, tapi ada beberapa genre game yang gue kurang suka, seperti survival, superhero, dan horror. Ya. Nah, pada video kali ini gue bakal main Watchdogs 2 dan kali ini kita bakal cobain main versi realistik guys. Versi realistik ini bisa dibilang versi yang paling susah. Sesuai realita kita ya. Seperti yang kalian lihat ini gue sudah setting di realistik dan kita bakal new game di sini. Continue. Kita ambil di set kedua aja. Oke. BTW game Watchdogs 2 ini merupakan game yang cukup fun bagi gua sendiri karena hack itu adalah kesukaan gue guys. Oke. Kita tunggu loadingnya. For information, gue juga udah pernah main ini game, tapi nggak gue record, hanya untuk ngetes doang. Semoga gameplay gue bakal berjalan dengan lancar ya guys. Oke. Di server belum tempat belum ya ini guys.
Consider this your 10-sec initiation, Retro. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to bypass Bloom security doors and get inside. Then find and erase your personal CTOS profile.
Whatever they have on me, it's all bullshit. And I'm sick of getting harassed for it.
All the more reason for a purge. We'll be watching.
Try to keep up.
By the way, we put this playlist together to set the mood. Hope you like it.
Kita lihat kameranya. Sebelumnya kita colong dulu ininya botnetnya. Oke. Semacam Assassin's Creed lah ini gamenya guys. Tapi beda. Sekarang kita lihat kamera ini. Oke, ada orang. Kita ke sini guys. Oke. Mr. Hussein. Oke. Ini gampang ya guys. Hai. Oke. You die, bitch. You die, bitch. Haha, you die. Oke. Oke, ini ada apa ini? Oke, kita dapat antique coin. Kita bakal cepat aja di sini, guys. Tutorialnya. Mungkin di video kali ini gue cuma bakal main tutorialnya aja. Di sini kita harus nge-hack di atas ini dulu, guys. Izin ya. Foto doang ya guys. Selesai. Oke, sekarang kita masuk ke ruangan.
You're wasting your time.
Kamu habisin waktu. Oke, ini tim kita kayak.
He's not in.
Gotcha.
Ada set.
So that's him.
Oh itu dia.
He's got a gun. Is that a problem?
Well, problems are why you keep me around, right?
I don't know.
Time him. I'm curious.
Too late. He's in.
Kita masuk udah,
Already?
guys.
Don't play out on them.
I have no idea.
Nuh-uh. No synonyms either.
Come on, Retro.
Give me a real answer.
I'm just not that into
Wah, orangnya
aliens.
buat
Video
mati
games.
guys.
It's not just any alien. It's
Oh, come on. Anyone else having a problem with their phone? What? Oh,
Boom.
God. Oh, God.
Boom. Tewas dulu guys. Itu senjata semacam tali guys.
Who is he?
It's retro.
The home domain awareness hacker? That retro?
Yes. We told you that already?
Yeah, I never listened.
Kita butuh ini. Butuh akses key-nya guys. Sini. Kita harus cepat dari sini. Sampai di servernya guys, di main server. Di sini ini agak susah guys, soalnya gue nggak tahu orang di mana aja.
So what's his deal?
He was raised in Oakland but was born in...
His deal is, he's been hanging around the DedSec IRC and he's got cred. Figured we'd give him a test drive.
On the hardest difficulty. Nobody's been able to delete their CTOS profile before.
I want to see if he's smart, stubborn, or both.
You die bitch. Haha, you die bitch. You back. Balik. Come here baby.
He's gone. Put a call out.
Okay, oke, ini mati. Gue deg-degan guys. Mereka di atas semua guys. Come on, Retro. Oke, aman. Oke, itu bitches ada.
All right, come on. Making this
Oke, papa bitch. Run. Run, bitch.
Finding cover.
Die, bitch. Kita main bar di sini, guys. Perlahan. But die. See you soon, baby. Oke, kita. Oke, masih ada, guys.
Messed up. He was there earlier. I'll go take a look.
Right there. I saw him earlier.
Ayo, kita petang booster. Come to papa, baby. Where mau? Kita lagi, guys. Satu lagi, guys. Kita head langsung aja, saya pernah bosan aku, guys. Nunggu. Di sini, guys. Oke. Finish.
He's done this before.
CTOS tagged him as the prime suspect in a high-tech burglary, so...
He's done time?
Community service. Not enough evidence. Just the word of CTOS's predictive algorithms. Once in the system,
Always in the system.
Kita hack dulu, duit terpenting. Oke.
holy shit. He went for it.
You won't have much time before the backups kick in.
Berhasil, guys. Kita harus naik. Towernya ada di atas. Oke, ada di sini. Oke, di situ guys. Coba kalau naik ke atas towernya. Ini data dia kayaknya ada di sini guys. Oke, kita lihat.
He's going in the hot aisle.
Bisa dibilang tingkat kesulitannya lebih atas dari hard.
It's at least 120 degrees in there.
Jadi tingkat kesulitan ini adalah merupakan tingkat kesulitan tersusah di Watchdogs 2 sejauh ini guys.
Give the man props. He's going the mile.
Bisa. Ayo, bisa, ayo. Oke. Panas guys, siapa? Oke. Berhasil. Oke, naik. Tuh. Oke. Udah berhasil guys.
He's in the system.
Nobody's gotten that far. This is like the secret cow level.
Oke, kita turun langsung dari sini guys, biar cepat. Langsung saja hacking kita. Nah, come on man. Oke, kita mulai puzzle gampang. Puzzle gampang. Nah, selesai. Oke, selesai. Oke, selesai. Gampang guys, puzzle awal ya. Ini lebih tepat bukan puzzle sih, tutorialnya. Ini bilang tadi tutorial ya. Kita nge-hack server Bloom. Bloom ini kayak buat organisasi.
Why's my threat so high?
Kita lihat. Nama dia Markus guys, ya seperti yang gue bilang. Nama dia Markus. Kita lihat criminal record. Wah. Oke, berarti karakter kita ini memiliki jejak kriminal yang banyak guys. Tapi katanya bullshit. Berarti omong kosong semua guys. Ayo hapus
Or
coy.
I could just...
Wes, jago. Nice. Hapus terus, hapus. Oke, mantap Markus. Oke, kita lihat namanya guys. Si botak. Kayaknya yang kita lihat muka yang agak seru guys. Ini kayaknya nggak seru dia guys. Tampangnya agak seru sekali.
Just gonna drop a little backdoor into the system so I can get back inside later. Sorry, Bloom. We've got unfinished business.
Oke, bro.
He's heading out. Bag him.
Yeah.
Oke, berhasil.
Ethan's out cold. We got an intruder. Lock down the exit and send someone to check him out.
Oh, berarti masih ada polisi sih, guys. Polisi sih, ini penjaga sih, guys. Oke, I know. Kita lihat ini ya. Mati satu guys.
Check your corners.
Oh, bitch.
We have DedSec sighted. Require additional hands.
Come on, man. Gua nggak bisa beda. Kita kemana guys? Kita kemana ini? Wah, gua panik. Come on, dude. Berhasil. Oke, berhasil. Masuk, anjay. Ngeri gua tuh. Ini kemana? Oke, di sini.
Control, it's dead set. Send more cars.
Oke, aman. Oh shit.
Hold it right there.
Oke.
Help,
Kacau.
help.
Where the fuck am I go?
Josh,
Oke,
okay?
mantap. Fuck you, gitu ya. Oke,
Fuck you,
berhasil.
Bloom.
Oh my god, kita ditangkap guys. Dia teman kita kah? I don't know.
In 2013, Chicago realized the promise of smart cities with CTOS, a citywide operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time. You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is worth treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense?
Freedom's last line of defense.
Oke, kita diculik.
So, am I in?
Oh, berarti kita sebelumnya belum gabung DedSec.
Welcome to DedSec.
Oke, ini dia. Kita gabung ke DedSec.
I'm Satara. This sweetheart is
Satara.
Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
Yo, your hot
Josh.
sauce? Yeah, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench,
Baby face gitu ya.
The needs of the many.
Itu namanya Ren.
and this Casanova
Okay.
is Horatio.
Dan ini
What's up, brother?
Man,
Si hitam itu namanya Horatio.
it's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit. You saw Bloom's bullshit. CTOS isn't just regulating infrastructure. The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's Big Brother and Little
Berarti
Brother
musuh kita di sini
all
Bloom.
rolled up into
Oke,
one.
namanya Bloom.
Huh?
Sees everything you do and tells on you.
Thank you, Josh.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers and fire. No, sledgehammers on fire.
Gue suka nih.
All of
si
that
Ren.
data in one place
Keren,
means
coy.
they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have been
Kacamatanya
pre-rejected
keren.
for our credit card.
Or your house, or your insurance.
That's not even the worst case scenario. All that data in the hands of the government, they'll arrest you for shit before you even do it.
Yeah, I've been
Puasa gua
there.
ini latarnya di San Francisco, guys.
I don't fucking know why.
San Francisco.
Fuck it! Fuck it, man. We're hackers. We outthink, we outdare. I say we tear down the fucking wall. Hey, show everyone what Bloom's up to, man. Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms.
Iya bener.
Fuck.
Berarti si Bloom ini yang ngambil semua data. Jadi tidak ada kebebasan lagi.
I installed a back door, so all we gotta do is walk right through.
Lucu guys, kacamata.
Hold on. What?
He installed the back door, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Hey, man. Do you have the time?
Hell yeah, man.
I got it.
Oh.
It's kind of late for a night run, isn't it? Hey, what are you running from the cops?
Maybe I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
Siapa namanya guys?
Have a good party.
Coba curiga guys.
Fucking ping this motherfucker.
Wah, mabok Babang Markus.
Fuck you, Bloom. I'm gonna go have a goddamn good time.
Okay. What the hell?
Hello? Whose phone is this?
It's your new phone.
Where's my phone?
In the ocean, where you threw it, I think. I don't remember. I was pretty smashed. Look, meet us at the hackerspace.
Where?
Babang Markus.
Check your pics and figure it out.
Oke, kita ke markas hacker habis ini guys.
Okay, come on. Get the fuck.
Okay, come on. Baru sadar ya.
Place am I in?
Oh my god, Marcus. You're fucking dirty, man. Okay. Okay, what's up to? Tunggu, ini copyright gak sih? Moga-moga aja enggak ya. Harusnya sih enggak, udah didesain untuk game sih. Kita di Marit. Oke.
I guess.
Bentar. Oke, bentar ya, gue pause. Oke, masih bisa sedikit lagi. Kayaknya kita beliin baju untuk
That was lit, huh?
Like Mardi Gras. Go get yourself something to wear, and I'll tell you where to go next. Oh, and you'll need your phone ready for operations. So hit the store and download your apps before you get here.
Damn, walk of shame on my first day.
Oke, kita lihat. Oke, macam-macam di sini ya aplikasinya. Kita beli dulu aplikasi guys. Oke, Songsmake. Apa ini guys? Gue nggak tahu sih aplikasinya apa aja. Yang penting kita beli aja deh. Macam-macam aplikasi di sini guys. Oke, di sini. Oke, kita harus visit clothing shop. Gimana guys? Oh, baju ini. Kita ke sini aja ya. Nah, tapi gue nggak bakal mau fast travel sih. Gue mau kasih lihat kalian dunia ini dengan ray tracing guys. Oke, kita naik mobil kuning. Oke. Oh, berarti ini mobil kita kan? I don't know. Hola. Wah, ngaco lah, kenapa? Tunggu, bisa matiin lagu nggak sih? Wait. Tunggu guys, masalah copyright gaming ini. Oke. Musiknya off. Udah bikin off guys. Look, the realistic of this. Watchdog 2 ini bisa gue top 2 sih. Lebih kerenan Watchdog 2 sih daripada GTA 5 dalam segi dunia ya. I don't know, entah kenapa gue suka dunia Watchdog 2 ini. Kalau kalian pilih apa? Ayo jawab di komen ya. Pilih Watchdog 2 atau GTA 5 untuk dalam segi mapnya. Menurut gue sih Watchdog nih. Damn, look that. Gila, gede jembatannya men. Gue mau naikin jembatan sih. Look at that. Look. Oh my god. Lihat itu ray tracing ya guys. Pantulan itu ray tracing. Yeah. I don't know itu ray tracing or not. Tapi ray tracing banget guys. Oke, kita naik ke atas jembatan ini. Come on man, what the fuck man? I hate you bitches. Wow, kayak gitu guys. Gue pikir apa? Oke, kita lanjut. Welcome to fucking Golden Gate Bridge. Oke, kita harus cepat. Gila, ngebut. Yang ngebut guys. Iya. Gila, jago kali bang nyetirnya ya. What the? Wow. Oh shit, salah pencet guys. Salah pencet guys. Oh no. Give me my bumblebee car guys. Oke, thank you bro. Terang dulu bro. Look at that. So cool. Horizon Zero Dawn 2 juga mainnya di San Francisco sekarang. Gila, keren coy. Lewati mobil kita sampai San Francisco guys. Gila, jago kali bawa ini ngelak kan. Kita kemana sih? Tunggu. The heck man? Tunggu bentar ya. Kita lihat mapnya dulu. Kita di mana? Oh my god, salah jalan. It's okay, kita ke sini aja. Oke lah, fast travel lah. Biar cepat ya. Mungkin kalian udah lihat lah dunia ya kayak apa ya. Watchdog 2 ini game jadul karena bentar lagi kan Watchdog Legend mau keluar juga. Kita mainin dulu ini. Ntar kita beli Watchdog, mainin juga Watchdog Legend ya. Nah, udah. Oke. Kita pakai baju dulu. Mahal-mahal bang, oke. Mahal guys, wah mahal. Gak usah beli baju lah, pakai aja ini, beli baju dead stack ini ya, baju gratis nih guys. Waduh, kerenan ini. Oke. Kita lihat. Harus beli kah? Oke, fine. I will buy some stuff here. Premium, nggak bisa ya. Pokoknya buy new pen for Marcus. Tapi yang murah aja lah ya. Nah ini jogger. Nah, olahraga. Ya gila. Okay.
All right, Satar. So where you at?
Sending you the location and the passcode for the door.
Oke, kita kemana? Oke, kita ke sini guys. Oke, fast travelnya nggak bisa. Kita fast travel ke sini. Okay. Get out. Get out.
Oh,
damn
sorry,
it,
man.
I'm sorry.
I need to get up here more often. Clear my head out. Really think.
My bad. Sorry.
Ini markas. Oke. Ini markas kita guys.
Sorry. Sure.
Where my markas?
Gotta watch where I'm going. No,
Get off,
that's...
bitch.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
I'm
not-
sorry.
I
Come
didn't
on,
see you
man.
there.
So, yeah.
Hey, go
Want a mint?
away.
No, really.
Fuck
My
you.
bad.
Go away, bitch.
Whoa. Take it easy.
Come on, man. Get out, bitches. Mana? Oke. Bad Tech Hackerspace. Langsung disambut dengan jari tengah hijau, saudara-saudara.
Yo.
Finally.
Yo.
So Josh and I spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
All right, you need two things to take down Bloom. You need to get people to rally behind your cause and separate you from the trolls.
And we need bots, and a lot of them to handle the data CTOS is processing.
Thank you, Josh.
We spent all night modifying our app so you can get followers to download the app, and we can use their processing power for the cause.
This is happening? It's really happening?
Yeah, man, this is happening. You better get to it.
Hell yeah, man! Barbarians are at the gate and ready to bust some Roman heads.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on some high-profile ops, playing for exposure and laughs to get people to download our app.
Keren banget base-nya, guys.
Don't worry. So it was something fun.
Okay.
Marcus! Haha, check you out. Alive and dry. I wasn't sure after your moonlight swim. Come here. You've got to check this out.
Oke, kita harus talk dulu ke si Urens.
Behold,
Ada apa nih?
our very own open source research app. So, like, all of us here pool vulnerabilities that we find, and we encourage everyone to share their work, their research, etc.
Okay, so what's the research app do?
Widen our skill set? Make us irresistible to the gender of our choice?
What, so it's like a I know Kung Fu kind of deal?
If Kung Fu was a gender and not so 1999? Absolutely.
Oke. Kita lihat apa? Research. Oke, ada skill di sini, guys. Gua bakal tunggu. Ini butuh pemikiran, guys. Gua butuh ini sih. Distract. Oke, kalau karena kita main di sini main barbar, guys. Okay. Come on, Ren.
Behold, the wonders of technology.
A 3D printer?
This is the army of printers. It is capable of pumping out an arsenal of little weapons down.
Seriously?
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All good, except I'm no hipster.
You keep telling yourself that. Now try to make something.
Oke.
But don't blow us up.
Jangan ledakin. Oke, kita bikin apa kita di sini? Oke, kayaknya jumper. Oke, kita dapat mainan baru kita, guys. Gila, gua kalau ada di dunia ini gua mau punya satu ini, guys. Keren, coy. Damn. Oke, kita lihat lagi apa yang bisa kita bikin. Fucking quadcopter. 67.000 anjay. Kurang duit gua. Oke, kita beli pistol aja, pistol. Fornuk pistol. Namanya Fornuk pistol. Bajingan memang. Magic box, kalian lihat gak sih? Magic box namanya. Emang magic sih, bisa keluarin barang kayak gitu. Damn, so fucking cool. Ada lagi kah? Bisa dibikin? Oke. I know. Oke, gue mau ada lagi yang bisa dibikin. Ini gue lihat ada slot 2 nih. Enggak dulu deh ya. Ribet gua. Sekarang kita ngomong ke Horatio.
Good to have another brother here.
Good to be here, man. Are you all hackers?
Yeah, kind of a basic requirement to get invited into the hacker space. But we all have our specialties, like Josh over there. Always building shit that shouldn't work. Now he's trying to build this big-ass drone.
And Wrench?
Good engineer, too. But better at breaking shit apart. And yo, Satara? Sis got skills as an artist and a graphic designer. Without her, DeadSec's walking around without a face or voice.
What about you? What's your superpower?
Tactical coordinator or cat herder. Take your pick. I make DeadSec go where it has the most impact. You heard of Prime 8? Those are some real dirty hacking motherfuckers.
Yeah, I've brushed up against them before. It wasn't pleasant.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Link up with me when you're ready to do this, and I'll fill you in. There's always someone running ops against Prime 8. Bet they'd love your help.
Oke. Kita visit the follower wall.
It's something, right?
This whole place is something.
We used to keep track of news feeds on here, but now it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we have access to, you know.
Nice.
And, speaking of which, we're downloading the DeadSec app into your phone as we speak. When it's ready, open it up, click the suggested op, and hit the park outside so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put a reminder on your phone so you remember what we're gunning for. Get enough processing power to take down Bloom.
Oke, kita harus bunuh si Bloom. Oke, kita sudah dapat misi, guys. Belum bisa taking down Bloom. Oke, ada misi 1. Tapi untuk gue rasa itu untuk next episode aja. Oke, guys, mungkin itu dulu yang bisa kita mainkan. See you to the next episode. Bye.